Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about the Ethereum Blockchain Explorer. Alright, so I'm going to show you the wonderful things you can use this site for. Alright, so the first thing you can use this site for is to check if your transaction on any token built on the Ethereum network is completed. You can also search about information on a token built on the Ethereum network, and you can also search for airdrops that are running on the Ethereum network. Alright, so in the next 5 minutes or so, we'll be talking on these things and I'll be showing you practical examples. And if you have not subscribed on my channel, I talk about cryptocurrency exchange, and other cool ways you can make cool cash. Alright, so you can actually explore the site if you want. Alright, there's a number of things you can do here. Alright, so that's not our concern for today. So now, to actually search if your transaction on an Ethereum network coin token is completed, you will need to copy the tax. This is what you need to copy. You can see it's abbreviated TX. This TX, you can see it. So once you send a token, this is how it shows. You can see this. All right, so you need to copy this thing from where you're sending it to. Then you need to paste it here to search for it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to actually check if your transaction has completed on the Ethereum network blockchain. All right, so just paste it here. So once you paste it, search for it. All right, remember I pasted the address, the transaction ID, and then I click on this. All right, so I'm going to click on that again. All right, now you can see this is what I pasted. This is the address I pasted. All right, so you can see it's successful. You can see it's successful. All right, you can also see when it was when the time when it was completed 16 minutes ago. You can see the address it's sending from. This is the address it's sending from, and this is the address it is interacting with. All right, you can also see the transaction fee from here. You can see the transaction fee. All right, you can see the transaction fee. You can see it here. All right, now the next thing you can use this site to do is actually search for a token. Right, so let's say you are making research for a token and you want to get more information about that token. Right, so you can actually search by pasting the contract address of that token. All you just need to do is go to CoinMarketCap or um CoinGecko and get the transaction ID. All right, but you can also search through the name. So let's say we are Shiba Inu. All right, you can see Shiba Inu here. You can see Shiba Inu, so just click on it. Okay, so it will give you the total supply of the token, the number of holders, transfers, and the market cap of that token. You can see all the information here. You can see it here, even the current price. You can see everything here. You can also see their official site here. You can also see the transactions that have been taking place. You can see them, the number of the time and method, from where and to which address. You can also check the number of holders to determine who is holding what and how many percent they are holding. So you can see the quantity they are holding, the quantity of token they are holding. You can see the percentage. All right, you can see the value here. All right, so this is what this wonderful sites helps you to. You can also check the exchange a token is trading on from this site. You can see it. So you can see that this is trading on a number of sites. You can see. All right, that said, you can also check for airdrops on this site. All you just need to do is click search on etherscan.o/airdrops. All right, airdrops, and search. All right, so you need to take note of this warning. All right, so I'm going to click on understand. All right, so you can see a number of airdrops on the Ethereum network that are going on now. You can see the site, you see the symbol, the name of the project, the symbol, the website of the project, token address, date it started, date it will end, the price, and you can also read more about um, the token on how to claim it. All right, so you can see it. You can see that this site is bit good. You can also submit your project here if you have any in mind to actually start a project. All right, you can also explore some other um options on this site to check other functions on the site. All right, you can check top tokens. All right, you can see top tokens. All right, so these are the few things you can do with this site. You can check if your transaction on the Ethereum network is completed. If you're making research on a token built on the Ethereum network, you can also get more information here. You can also check for airdrops on this site. All right, so in my next video we'll be talking about the next big one, the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. All right, see you in my next video.